It's Friday, July, what the heck is it? 18th, I believe. And so all the Harold's chickens that were in Vegas are closed. So I had to find another alternative chicken place. So we're gonna see. I think it's Shaquille O'Neal's place. It's called Big Chicken. And we're gonna see what they talking about. Good chicken. Here on this fried chicken. You see they got strawberry watermelon, home style lemonade, easy on drinks, pineapple cream soda, classic, Luther, Dr. Pepper, Tropicana, Mountain Dew, Starry, lemonade, lemon lime flavored soda, Pepsi, zero sugar, regular Pepsi, sweetened tea, unsweetened tea. Cool. Foosball table. Some kind of arcade thing. I don't even know what this is. What the heck is this? It must be something. Okay, you're gonna see what this is talking about. Big Chick. Oh yeah. Yeah, this Big Chicken. Big Chicken by Shaquille O'Neal. Pretty damn good. Still in Vegas. So I think Wednesday. Go home on Wednesday. Yeah. Big Chicken.